Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we here. I done kept it real from the jump. Living at my mama's house, we'd argue every Monday.
Hey NayNaySquad, welcome back to my channel. That sucks, but we just gonna roll with the flow. So this is a graduation look. Like, y'all, did I do good or did I not? Okay, I tried to make sure I wasn't talking too much, you know. These lashes are from Ardell, and I got them Sally's Beauty. I don't have the container, I would have showed you guys. And I hope you guys have fun at your graduation, and anybody that's graduating this year, congratulations on what you sis. Your sis is graduating too. June 30th. Put it in your calendar, mark it up. Make sure you go on my Instagram, and always Alea. Okay, and y'all go check out your sis, go support her, like her pictures. If you graduating, comment down on my picture, and I'm going to love your stuff too. Love you all. I'm not going to talk too much, and don't forget, if you haven't already, sis, what are you doing? What are you doing? Go ahead and smash on that subscribe button and like my stuff. Like, don't dislike, don't discredit your girl. Like, okay, oh, don't forget that like. I'm waiting. Smash on it right now. If I look cute, smash. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to start off with my daily moisturizing lotion, and I'm just going to put that on my face. You want to put a moisturizer on your face, you guys. Even if you have oily skin, you want to make sure your face is hydrated, especially with all this makeup and all this beat we about to do. Now I'm going to use this e.l.f. foundation. I'm just going to use this as a concealer on the top of my eyes because right now I don't feel like getting my concealer, or I can't find it, one of the two, and I'm just going to put that on my eyes as a base for my eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with my Airspun loose face powder, and I'm just going to put that on my eyes. I'm going to use a brush and just dab that setting powder on my eyes just to set that foundation. I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal LA palette, burnt pink, I should say, burnt pink, and I'm just going to use that as a transitioning color in my eye crease. Now I'm going to use my eyeshadow ELDP palette, and I'm just going to go in with this color right here, this brown color, and I'm just going to put that on the outer part of my crease and blend it a little bit up, but mostly gonna stay on my outer part of the crease. I'm going to use this little palette that my sister gave me. I don't know the palette name, sorry you guys, I'm really sorry, because a lot of people ask me about it. But anyway, back to the makeup look. So now I'm gonna take this brown, this like lightish brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to put that in my inner crease, but make sure you don't blend it outwards, only blend it in their inner crease. I'm going back in with the e.l.f. foundation, and I'm just going to do a half cut crease, and then I'm going to open up my eyes, do that, and then I'm just going to move the foundation around. Now I'm just going to set the foundation with my Airspun powder. I'm going in with the Boho Vibes palette, and I'm using that light gold, and I'm going to apply that where I put my foundation and set the foundation. I'm just going to put it on top just to give it that nice shiny look. Okay, so now I'm going in with my e.l.f. hydrating primer, and I'm going to put this all over my face. And then I'm going in with my e.l.f. shimmering facial wipe, and it's in the color Golden Peach, and I'm just going to put that in the highlighting areas. It's basically like a highlighter, so go ahead and highlight that face because we need that glowage when we are slaying our face for graduation. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me in the color 330, and I'm going to put this on my face and blend it all in my face. I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. foundation, a lot of work with this e.l.f. foundation, and I'm just going to highlight my face. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline New York Set Loose Powder, and it's in the color Medium 02, and I'm just going to set my face. And now I'm going to use my e.l.f. pomade, and I'm just going to do my eyebrows. Now I'm just going to move the powder off of my face. Now I'm going in with my e.l.f. contour book or contour bronzer palette or whatever, and I'm just going to contour my face or bronze my face. I don't use the liquid contour. I like to use powders. So now I'm just going to spray my face. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. bronzer palette, and I'm going to get the darkest shade, smoke out lower part of my eye, put some black eyeliner, which is the NYC, is somewhere around NYC black eyeliner. So now I'm going in with my AOA Wonder Baked Highlighter, and I'm just going to highlight my face. Okay, so now I'm going to use these two lippies. It's the e.l.f. Lip Lacquer lipstick, I believe. Lip Lacquer. And then I'm going to use the AOA Studio, like this brown color. I forgot the name of it, and I don't think they're selling it anymore. If they are, then I'll link it down below. I also have a video on these, the $1 lipsticks, so I'll make sure I link it down below. Also my eyebrow tutorial, my eyebrow routine too.
Now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here, nigga. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the...
You make me wanna